Welcome to our tutorial on how to access the Cash Flow Management Report for quick service restaurants in Docket. Let's begin. First, log into your Docket account. Next, go to the top navigation menu and select Business Reports from the drop-down menu. Now, in the subsequent menu, choose Management Reports. Within the Management Reports page, find and click on the cash flow. Tailor the report to your needs by selecting your preferred time period. The cash flow report delivers a succinct, readily understandable overview of your restaurant's cash transactions. The insights extracted from the report allow you to make proactive, informed financial decisions, ensuring optimal resource distribution and preparedness to take advantage of fresh opportunities. To download your report to Excel, go to the top right corner of the report page and find the three dots menu icon. Click on the three dots to reveal the menu options. And from there, select Export as Excel or Export as PDF. A notification will appear indicating that the report can be downloaded from the Data Export section of Docket. To download the report, navigate to the Data Export section by clicking the Data Export link in the notification, click the ellipses menu on the Data Export page, and select the Download option. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.